Hello, everybody. It's Pastor Dre, and I would like to invite you to a live masterclass this coming Tuesday, May 13th at 10 a.m. PST. We're going to cover 5 common mistakes churches make when building a website. This is going to be a practical guide for new church website designers to create a site that's clear, welcoming, and effective. Discover how to harness the power of a website to not only engage your congregation, but also how to use your website as an evangelism tool. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your church's outreach and impact. Register now and take the first steps towards transformative growth. Let me just share with you some of the 5 things that we're going to cover. Number 1, no blog, no search visibility. Number 2, no Google Search Console, no data. Number 3, no contact form, no connection. Number 4, no Google business profile, no local presence. Number 5, bulletin board mindset, no outreach. Register today. I'll put the link in the description, or you can go to webinar.echurchdigital.com. That's webinar.echurchdigital.com. God bless.